Abu minutes kite in the lenke. I gonna brothers don't F around.
Abu Eminas kite lenke alenke. Agona boys don't F around indirectly. And the lyrics you know I say don't F around, don't fuck around. But we friend the time, hey, Abu kita ba. Bia. And you wanna watch summer life, saying your man and Kemi. And you want to name me na meti hindi. And you want to fi music shame ya our friend Abu Trica'S. Yeah, Abu Trica'S ya abataman wasn't okay. Yeah, I born you. I don't want you to Abu Trica'S no born you. I born you and you want to assess summer life. Fraud boys have these things. What the back one when they hang. Yeah, na no man. Abrofini to go the bad down. What they squash bad down one before good. I want and I will show one na. Or can one adam time no will go in a while. Dam guess ya Fraud boy sit come out what's war front you want. Mum one dan kumpunja again. Fakama bro when you makakana won. Dam guess now what's the fraud boys war front. One for one now, one put on one year before they make you feel like they make you feel like Imbo Bribia, Dam Gelson. Cash.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem.
For from DJ Paco Rich. Now, in your beer, and you want to watch summer life, saying your man and Kemi, and you want to name me na meti hindi, and you want to fi music shame ya our friend Abu Trica'S. Yeah, Abu Trica'S ya abataman wasn't okay. Yeah, I born you. I don't want you to Abu Trica'S no born you. I born you and you want to assess summer life. Not seeing you mean too much summer life, but Abu Trica'S and you want to watch summer life. They say the lyrical content of the song, then we don't know Abu Trica'S padding on him rap on him yamotro. Or by him panka coffee kenata songwriter in this year on film on fama Abu Trica'S. Na me baka me ye be break your man down area ye baka na wan sam kakra. Won't hear your man.
Get the heat now, ba.
One say yes heat na yadaba heat na Abu Trica'S heat yadaba Swedru boys na one gada Swedru boys one gada
Farmer won
Abu minutes kite in the lenke. I gonna brothers don't F around.
Abu Eminas kite lenke alenke. Agona boys don't F around indirectly. And you know the lyrics you know I say don't F around, don't fuck around. But we friend the time, hey, Abu kita ba.
Yeah, chiska.
Say yo, yeah, chiska. Abu tree to the car. Abu that wasn't a koro. And then you bought where lyrics no woman. What's the sababra boss? Yeah, chiska.
Dollar, pounds. Shemistis, you know, men.
Dollar, pounds. It's $8 million. The big that watch our music video. The Buddha wobe yehu. Abu de was a kofu abrabo. Hey, Abu rap rough.
Maybe me the heat, you know. Abu Trica'S to pressure my bang.
Abu Trica'S to pressure my bang. But since you buy the pressure, what to Abu Trica'S? Bongo ideas so simple. God is what impossible. Also, I can offer for Ratambaji, Abu Trica'S. Ebe, Bongo, what's it as you know? I shall bread the legend that one fan kaka agra down. I'm one fan and got to prison was a Iwa American one better. In some woman or sure one padding what day, Sima de la Mogini near Simunadio. Into one on coho. Ah, Abu, aye.
Follow for no end of the month.
Follow for no was one son who now could see no reconije bet. Member police for information me there. Say Raymond Acha. Ni Abu Trica'S bokwa. Damage see no man the main jam with you. And when I out and with the fraud boys and what's a come out what's a war front and damage see no man. And damage see one. Damage see no man. Damage see ya. Fraud boy sits a camera, what's a war front you want. Mum one dan kumpunja again. Fakama bro when you makakana won. Damn guessing now what's a fraud boys war front. One for one now, one put on 1 year before they make you feel like they make you feel like Imbo Bribia, Damn Gelson. cash. So now let me hear anybody coming into the comment section and tell me that you hater. Nah, and then. Brother, what's it some one ya miminti monso so a readun and rada and samado. You see, fraud boys have these things. What the back one the yeah na man abrofini to go the bada down what they squash bada down one before gold. I want an hour shower na or can one adam time no gold in a while. And then mumma for pressure. Sabi nyimpa na anka sesi dani mpa hin na bedam no kobne de sen and I have this I have that na nyimpa so da mfa kwampa do na nya de miskan na so alenda mumu so ya abota bi no ya o che won de foska catch na kan banya sapa no wo mi de sabi wo ska or there you scan bond the toto just to show the world that you have money. It was sketch and dangote. Minim soya sikan one fa kwampad when yenti soya nyansan kan necessary pressure but more ya be ya on the CCA fraud boys are John Mahama na breed white honi into na one music videos akofo me because anya crana first one my cast na film was a music video into the side of industry no rokofo or drop down. But I think Raymond Achaze before bedin the time Ariana Chere Obieja game yo. Na wakakara they use VPN. Na VPN nyanyimpa no ye. VPN as wo kra labotoro. It's all my many day mwana wa ba betru. Use your iPhone ese ye gangalia won't to mentrue. It looks like you people you know the steady technology well. But let me tell you something, man. The fact today, that will be more this kind of band. Do not think that your smartness or yeri just clean clothes, just like some of these politicians. Until let's show the proper way of making wealth, hard work. Monko Biniska, Akokrobina, Brobina Mame. Go and watch this movie they call Beekeeper. Now transform a guy, a guy and come at Shani Sodro. Atasi. And you see, Sodro boys are not taking this carefully. Yoko fuya billboarding when your baby and so it cost Sodro government hospital. I was a cool besiwo just to warn people. Sisi a chairman waba fana kwa yo. What chairman and a network here tough, yeah harden wasn't a call. Now won't fit, yeah him. Bro, make we work. No one jack control happen. Mammy, you mean you pay your shabby or watching for. Brother man, I may your high, or about you, me, my virgin, can want someone to send your skaka cry, Jay. Now, what ton iron rosa, ton. No, what sure obey me, yeah. Reason now, I the scam in the share girl, and I'm the like fraud boy. Peweja fraud boy, who papoya fraud. I'm fancy. We'll talk about it later. But anyway, I'm not in here to give you details on how he was arrested and all that. But I feel like the youths now should invest in their brains. There are a lot of things you can do that will fetch you money. Do not look for, people's downfall to make wealth. Regardless the race or a bronyon or a bibignon, it doesn't really matter. You understand? Do the right thing and make money. Don't outsmart people and think that it's a called smartness. It's stealing. And we do not condone and support that. You support it, man. What I say? I'm out of here. Definitely, in case they issue a TikToker, call YouTube na share full video and some na me or deeper than as on to again I say.